Hi guys, welcome back. We are getting ready for fall. We are officially skipping summer. I feel like I've been saying that for the longest. In today's video, I'm gonna just get ready for fall. I'm gonna pull out some of my fall and Halloween mugs. I kind of want to make arroz con leche later. I think it's like a holiday treat for me. Like I always make it around fall. I also make it around Christmas time, but we're just sticking to fall right now. Oh, and then later today, I want to go outside and just be feeling cozy, you know? Like I just want a relaxed day. So I kind of want to go outside with the dogs, and I want to paint these books that I want to use as decor. They're like bright color books, and so stick around guys. I'm gonna start pulling out all the fall and Halloween mugs, and let's get ready for fall. As you could see, the coffee bar is all empty, so this should be my next video, me decorating the space. But for now, I'm gonna bring all my mugs out so you guys can see and have it nice and displayed and getting ready for fall. Okay, so let's get my mugs out. Okay, this little mountain of fall and Halloween mugs is the cutest, spookiest thing ever. How cozy does this look? It's such a Pinterest picture. Now I'm gonna be putting some mugs away right here, and don't be scared. This drawer right here, it already has mugs. Just letting you know. I don't know why I'm whispering. Okay, so this is where I store my stuff. Don't get scared. Don't look, don't look. I even have confetti everywhere, but we're gonna add some mugs on this side. I kind of cleared it out already because I don't want you to hear a lot of clinking and you know. So to be honest, when I store them, I don't even store them pretty. Like I should, so they don't break, but sometimes I even leave them stacked just because it makes more room. So the ones that I have stacked, I'm just gonna put them in here. This one is, oh, I love it. This is my favorite movie. If you guys are new here, you guys need to watch It's the Great Pumpkin, Charlie Brown. If you haven't, then you're missing out. You see how nice and organized this is? Just kidding. It's so bad. Where did the pile go? I only have these three plus the one that I'm drinking right now. So I'll just leave these here. I'm gonna start pulling out some pumpkins from my totes. So like these pumpkins right here, the white ones, I got this one at Kirkland's a while back. And sometimes I do want to paint them, but then I'm like, what if I want to go to a neutral look later on in life? So I kind of just leave it like that. I did paint these. Look how bright orange that was, and I did give it this moody look. Let's pull this one out. I kind of like this one too. Let's see. I like this one because it's all speckled, and I got it at TJ Maxx a while back. So let's use this one too. And then, I don't know, should I paint these or should I just leave them? Look how pretty they look. I don't know. Should I paint this one? I'll think about it. This one for sure is very cute and moody. I like this one, and I like the ceramic stem. So this one for sure. Put it here. Found the other one. I'm just gonna pull this out. I do like this glittery one, but this one is a Bath and Body Works little pumpkin that I got a while back, and it has like a little magnet here. So it's like a topper for your candle, but I'll just leave it here for now. I'm not gonna be using it. And look, I do have my glass pumpkin, and then I could add some lights. Ooh, I should take this one for my bedroom actually. So let's pull this out. Ah, oh my goodness, why would I do that? Okay. Okay, I'm more excited seeing all this pumpkin and mugs out. Now I'm gonna go to Target right now, but just know that my thing is that I'm going for at least 3 items, and they're food items. I don't need any more mugs. I don't need any decor. I think I have enough already. But look at these pumpkins. I think they're so cute, aesthetically pleasing. I just love the different tones and colors on these. All right, so let's get going to Target. Just got home from Target, and believe it or not, I found this one. It is the non-dairy one. They do have the regular one, but I've never tried this almond and oat milk one, so I'm excited to give it a try. You better impress me, Starbucks. Impress me. And then I got the pure pumpkin right here. The reason why I got this, I want to do more fall recipe, but for one of them, I want to do these overnight oats with pumpkin that I saw online a while back, and I'm excited to do it. Dude, look at the packaging, all cute and orange. I get excited for the weirdest things. Not even that, guys. Guess what I got at Target today? Like, someone left this in the checkout line and I got so excited. I was like, this was meant for me. I know it is because it is the cutest thing. Look at this teapot. Let me display it in the kitchen so you guys can see. Look how gorgeous this teapot is. And this is from the Hearth and Hand collection. I can't believe someone left this behind because I love this. It's a stainless steel teapot, 2 quarts. $24.99, but I just love the copper little handle. I like the spout. Oh my goodness, just I can't wait for teas. Okay, holding everything with one arm, one hand is no joke. This is gonna be the spot. This is the finished result on this book. Look how beautiful this green is. It needs a little bit of more touch up, but I think it's very nice.